What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have 3 solid dividend growth stocks for you to check out. I don't own any of them. They have excellent dividend growth. They're very underrated. You may own some of these. You may be surprised about some of these. Now, again, these are related to food and restaurant type dividend stocks, big time franchises. I really haven't touched base on these companies for a long time. And now I need to because they're very hot right now. Dividend growth's going really well and revenue's gone really well. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for free dividend investing strategies. And I show you what I buy, why I buy it, provide my rationales as well. I also review dividend growth stocks and dividend stocks and passive income strategies and ETFs. So that's one thing that's a benefit for you. These videos are free as well, and some people offer Patreon accounts. I don't do Patreon stuff. I show you everything I buy. I show you everything. So let's check out these dividend growth stocks right now. So the first one I'm going to go over is JM Smucker. The dividend yield is 3.69%. I'll go over the PE ratio. It's not listed because it's taking a beating right now. Average volume is 1.17 million. The market cap is 12.18 billion US dollars. Day range is 107.33 to 159.92. Day range is 111.25 to 114.97. Previous close is 111.10. Now, a lot of Smucker's products I actually take. And today I actually had some peanut butter, and actually this bread, I'm looking right across over here, the bread that I actually had, I looked it up and it was a Flowers Foods product. But let me go over some Smucker's products real quick. Here's some things they bring to the table: fruit spreads, peanut butter, syrups, ice cream toppings. And one thing I really want to go over is actually Uncrustables. There's some data that I want to show you that I found on X that has a lot of potential with Smucker's as a dividend growth stock. So their Uncrustables is very popular right now. A lot of flavors as well. But I want to show you some data I found on X. So per Stock Market News, they posted some information about Uncrustables. And it basically says Uncrustables are nearly $1 billion business. So the annual sales right here, it's jumped up from 2011 to 116 million, 2023 to 686 million, and then its reported forecast in 2026 is $1 billion. So just be aware of that. And let me show you the revenue trends and dividend history. For macro trends, the revenue trends have gone up, which is good. 2015 annually in millions US dollars, 5,692, 2016 7,811, 2017 7,392, 2018 7,357, 2019 7,838, 2020 7,801, 2021 8,002, 2022 a little bit of a drop, 7,998, and then 2023 8,529. So I'll go over the PE ratio real quick. According to Macro Trends, the PE ratio is a simple way to assess whether a stock is over or undervalued and is most widely used in valuation measure. JM Smucker has a PE ratio as of April 19th. It is 11.57. So I just want to go over that. So a very attractive dividend stock, brings a lot of products to the table. I use their peanut butter all the time. So let's jump to the dividend history. So in 2018, it's quarterly dividend, 78 cents to 85 cents. 2019, 88 cents. 2020, 90 cents. 2021, 99 cents. 2022, 102. 2023, 106. And it's still 106 in 2024. So their payout ratio, according to Zacks, is 43%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 5.11%. So if you bought one share, you made $4.24 with a 3.69% dividend yield. This one excites me, but the next two dividend growth stocks that I have for you really excite me. Let's check these out. That would be Darden Restaurants. They're sitting at 152.50, a dividend yield of 3.44%, a PE ratio of 17.87. Average volume is 1.35 million. The market cap is 18.20 billion US dollars. Year range is 133.36 to 176.84. Day range is 154.28 to 153.81. Previous close is 152.29. You're probably asking, what do they bring to the table? What companies, or they're a franchise, but who do they own? So let's go over that. The brands are Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, Yard House, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Chris Ruth's Steakhouse, I think that's how you say it. Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen, the Capitol Grill, Eddie V's, and Bahama Breeze. There used to be one over here. I missed that place. It was really good. I really loved their shrimp that they used to have, and it's a shame that they left. It was probably, part of the pandemic, but I hope they come back in this area. So let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. I'm going to tell you they took a beating during the pandemic and they came back. So I did own them at one point and I did sell them for a profit. So let's jump to their revenue trends annually in millions US dollars. 2014, 6,285. 2015, 6,764. 2016, 6,933. 2017, 7,170, 2018, 8,080, 2019, 8,510, 2020, look at that, pandemic, 7,806, 2021, 7,196, 2022, 9,630, 2023, 10,047. Yes, the revenue is going up. That's very attractive. This one looks really strong right now. Let me show you the dividend history. And this is extremely powerful, and they really rebounded since the pandemic. So I'm going to start in 2019. It was 75 cents to 88 cents. Okay, 2020 hit, blame the pandemic. Okay, 30 cents to 37 cents. And then 2021, 88 cents to 110. And in 2022, 121. 2023, 131. So sure, their payout ratio is a little bit high. I'm not too worried about that. That looks very attractive. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years, 17.20%. If you bought one share, you made $5.24 with a 3.44% dividend yield. That's extremely attractive. This one's definitely on my radar. I own a lot of dividend stocks. I'm not going to buy them yet, but I'm definitely attracted to what their capabilities are. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. This one may surprise you, or you might already know which one it is. And that would be Yum Brands. At one point, it was beating the pandemic and took a huge nosedive. Can it keep up with the S&P again? Never know. But I'm going to tell you the pandemic gave it a beating, and it's starting to come back strong. Sitting at 138.50, a dividend yield of 1.94%, a PE ratio of 24.72, average volume 2.03 million. The market cap is 38.97 billion US dollars. Year range is 115.53 to 143.25. Day range is 137.83 to 138.73. Previous close is 137.87. So, looks really good. Okay, the deal, but what companies are within Yum Brands? They have KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, and the Habit Burger Grill. So that's pretty attractive for them. And I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So the revenue has increased, which is good. Now, let's start in 2017. 5,878, 2018, 5,688, 2019, 5,597, 2020, 5,652, 2021, 6,584, 2022, 6,842, and 2023, 7,076. So the revenue has slightly increased. But DRI Darden is really attractive. I mean, that one I'm watching very closely. This is still a good one, and I'm going to jump to the dividend history of Yum. So I'm going to start in 2018. It's a quarterly dividend, 36 cents, 2019, 42 cents, 2020, 47 cents, 2021, 50 cents, 2022, 57 cents, 2023, 61 cents, and they just cracked 67 cents. So their payout ratio is 47%. According to Zacks, it's a little bit lower than Darden. Darden's really attractive, and so are they. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years, 5. Dividend growth in 5 years, 9.69%. You bought one share, you made 268 with a 1.93% dividend yield. So I wanted to touch base on some dividend stocks I haven't really mentioned in a long time. I don't own any of these, but they are very attractive. And again, I want my income stocks to buy dividend growth stocks like these. Now, I don't own them. Will I buy them in the future? There could be a possibility. All three are on my radar. I already have enough stocks. So I just wanted to point out 3 really attractive dividend growth stocks that are underrated. Most people aren't talking about them, but I wanted to show you the dividend growth in 5 years of Darden and Yum, which is really attractive. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos in dividend investing strategies and dividend stock reviews for you guys who are and women who love earning passive income. I'll have a video for you tomorrow. It has been a lot of fun. We're at 15,000 subscribers, and now I can finally, I was watching all these lecture videos to prepare for boards. Now I'm not doing that. I'm just going back to note cards and stuff. So I'll have time to do videos because some of those lectures, they took like 5 hours. So a lot of information, but you got to go down to business and stuff. So you guys take care. Have a great Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Regarding financial advice, it is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor. So go to them, or somebody certified to give financial advice. Go to them. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of tax advice or tax purposes. It is best to seek a tax advisor or somebody certified to give tax advice. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware of your investments. I do not own any of these 3 dividend stocks. I just want to make that clear. You don't have to buy dividend stocks because I buy them, or ETFs, or the Yieldmax ETFs because I buy them. But just want to be clear, this is kind of my video log or dividend investing journey, but I also want to show you some hot dividend stocks out there that many people are discussing or are underrated dividend stocks. Take care and have a great Sunday.